Hey everyone, this is my Orchestra 90 reproduction card, which is a stereo music synthesizer for the TRS-80 Model 3, 4, 4P and 4D. It's currently plugged into my 4D. It just has two RCA jacks to connect it to the auxiliary of your stereo amplifier. I'm going to show a demonstration of it in a moment, and I'll just show you what it's going to be played on. Just turn this around. Here's our Model 4D, and for sound reproduction I'm using a 1970 Symphony AU101 solid state amplifier, and I'm going to be playing it through a realistic Mach 1 speaker system. Obviously I have a pair of them, so there they are. So I'm going to play 99 Luftballons by Nina, which was a big hit in the 1980s, you'll all remember. The video will take around 3.5 minutes, and it'll just be the sound and the camera sitting on a tripod watching the Model 4, so enjoy. And if you're after one of these stereo music synthesizers, drop me a line.